Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing eye tutorials using this beautiful baby right here. This is the ABH Norvina volume 4. She's pretty, still new. She's really cute. She's cute. Anyways, as you know, on my Instagram I'm giving one of these away, which will be in this video. I'm going to be using this just so whoever wins, or if you get one, there's some eye tutorials for you. So today I'm gonna do a more natural eye looking look using this palette, and then I'm gonna do a more like colorful look. So today we're gonna do natural. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids first. So we're gonna be focused more on just the eyes today. I'm not really gonna get into the face. About to go to work, so I'm gonna quickly do my face off camera. Well, I'm gonna do my eyes first because I always do my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia eye primer. I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime the lid. You can use whatever primer you want. Okay, so I've zoomed in a little bit on my eyes so we can get started on that. So let's see where we're gonna go. I'm gonna dip into, I'm gonna dip into C5, probably B3 and D1. I'm sorry if y'all can't see that. So maybe like those three right there. I'm making sure I'm have the palette in. I'm zoomed in so I can't really show y'all. I'm gonna make this an all matte type of look because I feel like that's like the easiest to work with, and like I said, we're going a more natural route. So what I like to do from darkest to lightest. So we're gonna go ahead and pack in D5, the darker more warmer chestnut brown, and just pack it on the lid, and we're gonna pack it all over the lid. Okay, so now that that's all packed in, we're gonna go in a fluffier brush. I'm gonna be using the M573, and I'm gonna go into B3. You honestly could just use these colors and you could be done with your eye look. Will I do that? Maybe, just so I don't mess everything up, but you're just gonna blend that all out. This was gonna be a very, very easy look. A lot of people come in Sephora saying they could never do eyeshadow like me. It's really, really not that hard. It's just a lot of blending. So we're just gonna go into little circles and soften up that line and just keep blending. And I've already used this palette a couple times, and oh my gosh, the pigments in here are so good. I love this palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. Whoever wins it, oh my god, you're so lucky. I'm gonna dip in a little bit of D1 and bring it all the way out. And I'm bringing it all the way out just to make my eyes look bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I literally did that in like 5 freaking minutes. Like, that eye is so easy to do. This eye look is so easy.
Made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I
So I kind of went a little extra. It's kind of what I do. But this is what I did for my natural look. Let me set it real quick. So like, you could have just applied lashes and you would have been done. Do you have to add the jewels and the lower lashes? No. But if you want to be extra, like me, you can. So what I did is just added some lashes, and these are by the lashes I've been using a lot recently. They are Lash Me Up. I tag them all the time on my Instagram because I use their lashes a lot. And I use the style Anastasia. And then for the bottom lashes, I use the Soft Touch Trios by Ardell. I just use the short and Ardell. Of course, jewels, you can get them at Michael's. The jewels I use are in like a little circle like this. I just put 2. I'm just gonna fill them like that, and then I'm just gonna apply a lip balm. The new lip balms by Huda. Look how pretty these are. They have glitter. They are freaking gorgeous. I am just so in love. Oh my god. So this one's the nude one in I don't know how to say it. And they are so freaking moisturizing on the lips. Amazing. So that is it for today, for this eye look. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back with a more like colorful look. So tomorrow. Okay, so this is day 2 of doing my makeup. So I want to say that I already filmed day 2, but the look came out awful. So we're gonna pretend I never did it, and we're gonna do a new one. Like yesterday I kind of played with the pinks and tried to do a halo eye. Now halo eyes are not my forte, so it came out as I suspected, ugly. I've already played with the pinks. I played with the neutrals. I actually want to go into like the purples. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime my eyelids first. So like always, I have no plans on what I should do with my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the darker here. This one's E4. And then I'm gonna probably go into A3 and then C4. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, girlies. I'm just gonna dip just a little bit into E4. Then I'm going to dip into A3. And we're just gonna blend those edges. Okay, now that we have that going on, I'm going to grab another brush and I'm going to go into C4. And I'm gonna try to blow this color really out, like smoke it out. And then since I kind of covered the other colors we put down, I'm gonna go ahead and go over them. And then I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm just gonna grab my Mario brush. This is my favorite concealer brush. He needs to bring it back and just sell the brushes separately. I'm just blending that dark purple in there, and then I'm gonna use C1 right here, right there. This little pinky, spraying it, if that makes the color more intense. want to do something, so I got these Norvina cake liners, and I kind of want to do a little something with the purple since we're having a purple vibe right now. So I've never worked with these before. Ooh, I'm scared. This look has come out pretty decent, and I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up. But YOLO. Here you go. I've seen so many people like create looks with this, so I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then come back. So those are eyes complete. Are they perfect? No, because that was my first time using those liners, so I obviously need to work on it. But I mean, so what I did is that I did do another purple liner just to like for my lashes. And now we're gonna get into face. So we're going to speed the face. Okay, so I finished my makeup look. This is the income. I am gonna go ahead and put on a quick liner. I am actually running really late for work because I work today. Oh, I'm gonna be so late. I'm not gonna have time to eat. We're gonna take pictures and we're gonna get out. But first, the winner of my giveaway to win a beautiful palette that I used these past 2 days is gonna be in this bag. Just like my other giveaway, I wrote down the names and put them on strips, and we're just gonna pull out a random person. And this is the winner. Focus. Oops, it's upside down. Congrats. I will be DMing you after this video goes live, so thanks for entering my giveaway. And of course, more giveaways are I'm gonna do more giveaways in the future, so I hope y'all enjoyed my tutorials, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye. I gotta go eat. Okay, bye.